Imagine your regular glasses, but smarter. Welcome to the next chapter in wearable tech, Meta AI glasses, where classic style meets cutting-edge intelligence. At first glance, these look like your favorite pair of Ray-Bans, sleek, light, and stylish. But look closer. These glasses are packed with AI superpowers that help you remember, learn, and interact like never before. The big upgrade? A full-color, high-res display right in your right lens. It's bright enough for sunny days and subtle enough not to block your view. You get notifications, directions, live captions, and even video calls, all without looking at your phone. But how do you control all this? No buttons, no touchscreens, just your hands. The Meta Neuroband uses muscle signals to let you control everything with micro gestures. Pinch, swipe, or rotate anywhere, anytime, even if your hands are in your pockets. It's like magic, only real. Just say,
Hey Meta, play the Daily Calm.
From Calm, here's the Daily Calm.
ask about the weather, translate conversations in real time, or identify objects around you just by looking. Forgot where you parked? Ask your glasses. Need to remember a friend's birthday? They've got you covered. Snap photos, record videos, or stream live, all hands-free. The 12-megapixel camera captures your perspective, and the display lets you preview shots instantly. No more awkward phone angles or missed moments. You get all the Ray-Ban classics, multiple frame shapes, transitions lenses for indoor-outdoor comfort, and a charging case that keeps you powered for the whole day. The glasses last up to 6 hours of mixed use, and the case gives you extra juice on the go. Meta takes privacy seriously. There's a clear LED when the camera's on, and all your data is encrypted. These glasses are built for real life, whether you're out with friends, on a video call, or just running errands. Think these are just for tech nerds? Think again. Students can get instant translations and study help. Travelers get live navigation and local info. Parents can capture family moments without missing a beat. It's tech that fits into your life, not the other way around. Meta AI glasses aren't just smart glasses. They're a glimpse into a future where technology is invisible, intuitive, and always on your side. They're not perfect. Battery life and price might give you pause, but for those who want to stay connected without being distracted, these glasses are a game changer. Want to see more features, real-life demos, or have burning questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the future.